don't have very interesting dreams.
And there they are. Excuse me. Oi! You can come from behind the sofa now, it's quite safe. Very funny. Now, apart from discovering your taste for the ghoulish and the scary, I found out something else from your letters. You're actually quite a brain box, aren't you? Yeah, you really are, you know, because some of the art attacks that you've enjoyed the most have been the unusual ones. You know, the ones using strange stuff and peculiar ways to create those great new effects. But remember, you don't just need to copy what I do. You can also use the ideas to make your own art attacks. Let your imagination wander with some of these.
Hello, my name is Danielle. I chose colours on my flower because I think they go well together. I made leaves by cutting strips of paper with my ruler to make a 3D effect.
Who needs expensive garden centres? That's a real good art attack. Now, to do this, you need a piece of green paper or thin card, and you just need to draw a squiggle in the shape of a flattened S on it. And then around that, draw a leaf shape, like that. You notice I'm using pencil here. Well, that's so I can rub it out later on. And then take a pair of scissors and just wrap some sticky tape around the scissors, like that. You know what I'm going to do here now, don't you? Yep, I'm going to use these scissors to score along that squiggly line. So just pressing firmly with the tip of the scissors, just doing it very carefully along that squiggle. And then you cut out that leaf shape and you have something that looks like that. And I've rubbed out the pencil here, and then if you just bend the leaf along that squiggle, the scored squiggle there, you get this, it looks like a 3D leaf. And then make 2 or 3 of them in exactly the same way, and then make 6 of them in a different colour, a nice bright colour, something like yellow or orange or red. And then back to your green paper. If you draw a wavy line, long wavy line, about 15 to 20 centimetres long, and then score along that, again, just getting the scissors and just being very careful with this, pressing firmly along that squiggle line there. And when you've scored that, just draw a long, thin box, no wider than, say, 2 centimetres, all the way around that line, following the direction of the line as you go. And then, if you cut that out and fold it in the same way as your leaf, you have something that looks like that. This sort of plant stalk. And then finally, take a circle of paper or card in, again, a different colour, and just snip a slot from the edge of the circle into the middle, and then just very carefully dab on some glue along the edge of one of those flaps there, like that, and then pick it up and fold it over very carefully into a cone shape. See the way I did that then? And just press onto the glued edge. You might need to keep your fingers there for a couple of minutes while it sticks. Then take a piece of backing paper or card. Now, blue always works really well for this, and place your cut-out card shapes into position. And put the stalk down the middle there. I think I'll put 1 or 2 leaves down the bottom here. Just placing them into position. And don't forget, maybe a leaf halfway up the plant there. And then the coloured petals around the top. I suppose you could call this flower arranging. And petals down there, and another one there, I think. And then put your cone in the middle like that. And when you've positioned all your pieces, glue them down, and there you have a folded paper plant. And you can experiment using different colours and arrange your petals into different shapes to create different flowers. Whole bunches of them, in fact. Look at those lovely bloomers. Try it yourself. Folded paper plants.